Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. Today chess video, I am going to show you 3 different reps in Nimzo-Indian Defense and I am going to show you a checkmate puzzles for you. Okay, in the end of this video, I am going to give you a checkmate puzzle for you. That puzzle's answer, if you know that puzzle's answer, please share your answer below the comment section. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer. Okay. Now we can go to the rep number 1 in Nimzo-Indian Defense. Okay. Hi everyone. This is rep number 1. Why black resign in 6 moves only? How to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move, d4. This is called queen's pawn opening. Then knight f6. This is called Indian defense. Then c4. White played in Indian defense normal variation. Then black played e6. This is called Indian defense normal variation. Then white played knight c3. This is called Indian defense normal variation. Then b6. Okay. Then white played e4. Then black played bishop b4. In 2 moves, black resigned. Okay. You need to watch until finish this video. Now pin the knight by the bishop. You can see this bishop pin the knight. Okay. Then another move of white, bishop d3. Okay, then black played a d6 pawn, push the pawn to d6. Then white played an amazing move of queen a4 and check. Now black resigned because if wrap the bishop by the queen, in this case, I think he will push the knight to here on c6 because the knight defend the bishop. We will see how to can this much black. Black knight go to c6. Now defend the bishop by the knight. Then white push the pawn to d5. That's it. In this game, now black resign because if he cut like this, then again cut. In the same time, that knight cannot move anywhere because there is a pin there. There is a check. If cannot take the knight, that's why he lose his knight black. If pushed like this, then again got queen. Queen take the pawn. Then knight cannot do anything. If black defend the knight and pawn take the knight, that's it. That's why black resigned this match. We can go to the rep number 2. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is rep number 2. Why white resign in 10 moves only? How to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. d4. This is called queen's pawn opening. Knight f6. Indian defense. Okay. Then white moved c4. Okay. Then black played e6. In this match, white resigned. Okay. Why white resigned? How to black won the game? I am going to explain. Another move of white. Knight go to c3. Develop the knight. White. Okay. Then bishop b4. Now pin the knight by the bishop. Then white queen go to there in b3. In this case, now he need to cut the bishop by the queen. That's why we will see this queen attack the bishop. That's why he need to push this pawn to c5 or this pawn to c5. Yeah, this pawn, not a5. This is the c5 pawn. Then pawn take the pawn. Then knight c6. Okay. In this match, another move of white knight f3. Okay. Then black knight go to e4. Now double attack here. Pressure. Put pressure on knight. This knight attack this knight. In the same time, this bishop attack this knight. Then this knight attack this pawn also. Okay. We will see another move of white 10. White bishop go to d2. Defend the knight by the bishop. Then knight cross d2. Cut the bishop by the knight. Then knight take the knight. Then queen a5. Okay. Now we will see counter candles is much black, white, sorry. Okay, ninth move of white playing long castling. Okay, queen side castling he made. In this case, white playing amazingly right now. Knight d4. Okay, we will see counter candle this much white. White queen go to a4, that's it. In one move, white resign. We will see why white resign. Okay, then bishop cross c3. Okay, in this case, we will see this queen need to cut this queen. Otherwise, the black queen take the white queen. Okay, we will see counter card this much. If take the queen with queen, then bishop take the queen. That's it. In this match, black has so many pieces. That's why white resigned this match. Okay, we can go to the wrap number 3. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is wrap number 3 in Nimzo-Indian Defense. Okay, let's start with d4. This is queen's pawn opening, knight f6, Indian defense. c4, e6, knight c3. Then bishop b4, pin the knight. Then queen come to b3, attack the bishop by the queen. Then queen come to e7 and defend the bishop by the queen. Then a3, he push the pawn to a3, attack the bishop by the pawn. Bishop cross 9, take the knight, bishop cross c3 and check. Okay, then queen take the bishop. Then knight come to e4. Now attack the queen by the knight in the same time. We will see. This knight attack the queen in the same time attack this pawn. We will see counter candidate this knight to white. White queen go to c2. Now attack the knight by the queen. Then black push the d5 pawn here on, defend the knight by the bishop, by the pawn. Sorry, by the pawn. Okay. Then b3, he push the pawn to b3. Then c5, another pawn. He push the pawn to c5. In one move, white resign. We will see why white resign. Okay. Now d cross c5. This is the bad moves he did, because we can see now queen f6. That's it. In this match, white resign. I am going to tell you why white resign. This queen attacked this rook also. In the same time, this queen attacked this pawn. Okay. Then this knight attacked this pawn and this line. That's why white resign. White cannot do anything. If he push like this, then wrap the rook. If go back, if come here rook, there is a beautiful movement. This attack the rook now. This rook is gone after the moves. Okay, that's why white resigned this match. We can go to the checkmate puzzles time now. Okay, we can go to the checkmate puzzles. And welcome to Sarmilan Chess YouTube channel. This is checkmate puzzles time. First move is white turn. In 4 moves, white won by checkmate. I am going to give you 30 seconds only. You need to find the answer before the 30 seconds. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. After the 30 seconds, I am going to give you the right answer. Okay? The timer is running right now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. This is checkmate puzzles answer. The timer is done now. First move is white turn. White queen go to d4 and check. Now queen sacrifice. Now pawn take the queen. Then rook go to g5 and beautiful check. Then queen take the rook. Then knight b4 and beautiful check. In one move, white won by checkmate. King go to c5 only way. Then knight go to e6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.